Meet the KRAIS KVLD-3000 precision vacuum leak tester, built for fast, reliable tube integrity checks in heat exchangers, boilers, and condensers from 1/4 to 3-inch tubes. Using compressed air, it pulls a vacuum inside the tube and monitors pressure with an integrated gauge. A stable reading confirms the tube is airtight, while any pressure drop instantly indicates a leak. This non-destructive method helps maintenance teams pinpoint faulty tubes before plugging or replacement, reducing downtime, speeding up inspections, and protecting long-term system efficiency. KVLD-3000. Clear results, quick decisions, confident maintenance.